the moment we think of any course, we are in such a bad shape and we don't have any imagination even to think that without a classroom a course can be possible. We always think it is course, it is classroom, it is teacher standing near the board and he has got to impart. And finally, another dirtiest thing, it is examination and a question paper setting. These people don't require all of them. As you rightly said, they need value addition. They need depth. They need to understand the theoretical background. Maybe from polytechnic background, his theoretical concepts may not be very clear to him that he has got to understand. But then we have got to only take them to that point and they will do everything. They will definitely do everything. Surely, in an industry like yours, people also like you would also be available. They can also be used as adjunct faculty. We can definitely make use of them as adjunct faculty. Now, practicals does not mean the list of experiments like most of our unfortunate affiliated colleges think it is the list of experiments which have got to be completed. It has got to be a guided sequence of experimental activities leading to the understanding of a subject to the depth which has got to be initiated, and that can be very well taken up in the industry. So, we have got to really, as a going dashing university, as a path-breaking university, it is up to us to design these courses. And these courses, the whole concept is transform the working place into a learning place also, because working place is only an earning place in India. It is not, the working place is not for the benefit of the industry also, it is only the earning place in India. So, the whole concept is working place, transforming the working place to make that industry a bigger industry is one globe. Second point is working place should become a learning place and an experiencing place. Okay? So, with this concept, I am sure you have the right set of people, Professor Ramakrishna, Professor Subbarangaya, and of course, Shanti Swarup also is from industry. Surely, the academicians, Balasubramaniam and Srinivas Kumar will definitely add value, and many of our people resonate with this rhythm. We will take it up. Okay? Let it be late, but let it be strong. Okay? But then it should not be too late. All right? Because the whole problem is, I keep talking about it wherever I go, and surely there shall be any other institution which will be picking up this idea, and finally Vignan will be lagging behind. That should not happen. Okay? Welcome.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
I think the roadmap is clear. You invite the people, have a workshop.
Sure, sir.
And that is for designing a B.Tech in technical textiles, right? But then B.Tech technical textiles, surely you have a time frame that within 1 year we should be ready with this. However, offering the technical textiles as minors and as honors for the existing textile program should not be a difficult issue, for which you definitely don't require any AICTE approval. Yes, because it is after all our infrastructure, and if we develop the infrastructure and if we have facilities, if our textile department can offer 1 or 2 textile themes, yes, technical textile themes in the minor or even as open electives, let them start experimenting now, which will be of greater value. Okay?
Sir,
and I think mechanical engineering should join in a bigger.
Yes. Okay. Sir, as per instructions, the department approached all the students, sir. So to offer this kind of technical textiles as open elective and minors also.
Good, good.
About 70 students already registered, sir, for the upcoming academic year.
Perfect, good.
Thank you, sir.
That's very good, good. And you should encourage some people to take up B.Tech projects in technical textiles, not only mechanical people. What are the computer science people doing? Yes. What are the information technology people doing? They are more becoming narrow and narrow nowadays. Yes. Computer science and information science and advanced computer science is more global. They are going to take up all these issues, technical textile design, defects in technical textile, detecting the automatic detection of defects in the technical texture in technical textile. All these activities have got to be taken up. And incidentally, our institution has a exclusive textile
Yes.
department, okay? And textile department should also be proactive, right? Okay, they should not compartmentalize themselves. They should go ahead and make it more interdisciplinary. I'm very happy that the initial survey has shown already 70 people are
Yes,
interested in
yes.
this. Okay, good,
Thank you, sir.
good. But then please work on the time frame,
Sure, sir.
right? That extraordinary people will certainly get placed. Obviously, in a city which is already loaded with 20 beautiful hotels, there is always a scope for 21st hotel also, provided the quality of that hotel is very good, right? That is certainly true. But then the responsibility now is upon the new hotel to maintain the innovativity and quality on all 31 days in a month. If you are one hotel, if you are two hotels, only two hotels are one hotel. If you can be casual on 1 or 2 days, even then it is okay. But now you have got to be very careful on all 31 days. So please note down all these cautions, and please, we would suggest Dean Admissions to have a open discussion with the management and to cautiously decide upon these numbers. And of course, finally, the decision, the observations of, academic council shall promptly be placed before the management by the Dean Admissions. And finally, the decision by the management would be in force. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. One who is good shall always be good. Number one. Anybody born on the earth shall not starve to death. 2. 3. The curse is when a person trained for something else gets underemployed. Isn't it? That is the curse. The curse is not that he is not going to be employed. The curse is the underemployment of a person. He has been trained for some other purpose, and Dr. Ramakrishna mentioned it very categorically. Our IT people in India are only, okay, the data feeders, the typists, he mentioned. So that is where our concern has got to be. Today, if IIT Madras is telling that they are worried because only 50 to 60% of the people have been placed in the first round, their worry is not that they were not placed, their worry is that they could have got into the right jobs, right professions. Advice for a careful decision. However, the decision of the management shall be final, and I am sure the wisdom and the magnanimity of the management shall always be upheld. Okay.